Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of home loans and exploring the various types to help you find the perfect fit for your dream home. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to channel. Now let's get started. First up, we have the Builder Purchase Home Loan. This loan is designed for those buying a home directly from a builder. It can cover the cost of the property and, in some cases, even the initial construction. Next, we have the Resale Home Loan. If you're purchasing a pre-owned home from an individual seller, this type of loan can help you finance your acquisition. Moving on to Plot Purchase Plus Construction Home Loan. Planning to buy a plot of land and build your dream home from the ground up? This loan covers both the land purchase and the construction costs. Last but not least, we have the Renovation Home Loan. If your existing home needs a facelift or significant improvements, this loan is tailored to help you fund those renovations. And there you have it. Different types of home loans to suit various housing needs. Thanks for watching CreditCares, and remember to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more valuable content.